at least 5 more people to join, then we can. It's just 7 o'clock. Yes, Shankar. Hold on. Okay, so today's topic of discussion will be your customer journey mapping. So what I want you people is to make a customer journey on the basis of retail sector. You can take any of this, huh? Retail, IT, education, or automotive, tourism, hospitality, or you can also take healthcare, which includes your hospital or any clinical, like there are some uh, diagnosis center or clinic based like Medicity and all. So you can clinic, specialist skill clinic, those also you can take. Okay. So these are some of the sectors I want you people to do customer journey mapping. Okay. What you are supposed to do in customer journey mapping, you have to make the awareness of what you need to understand, make a situation where a customer wants some items. Okay, that is the first stage of awareness. Second stage is consideration, where you aware as a customer what are the different kinds of consideration you'll be making, like where you'll be looking for options, okay, based on that. Stage 3 is a purchase decision, like from which particular trusted sources you have determined that yes, I'll go for this particular product. Then purchase experience, after the purchase has been done, how is your, what was the way or how did you feel during those transaction process. Then after the purchase has been done, post purchase, what is your experience? Okay. So this is the stages of your customer journey. Okay. So I want you people to make any of this from retail, IT, education, automotive, tourism, hospitality, or healthcare. Take any one of it. Please write it down somewhere, or you can take a picture of this. All right. So you need to make a customer journey where you as a customer, what you will be doing. Okay. Any question on this? Any questions? I want you people to discuss in class the customer journey on Monday. Okay. You can go through the slide in your respective accounts of your LMS. Okay. Here are the points how to create a customer journey map, how you are going to do it, what are the different items you need to include. Everything is there in the slide. Okay, as per the slide you see and make your own journey. Okay, you need to go through the slide and make your customer journey mapping. On the basis of that, I'll be giving you marks. It will be your 50 marks. Okay, this customer journey mapping. Okay, so on Monday you will be providing me with your customer journey map. In case you are not able to attend the class on Monday, please send me in the WhatsApp. Okay, any questions? Anyone, any questions? That's what this is. What I'm providing you is self study. I'm not going to explain everything. What you need to do is that you need to check out what is the different customer journey mapping has been done. You will find challenges are there. Then you will find what other items are required for customer journey mapping. All everything is there in the slide. That is what is your self study. You need to go through the slide how to create. Okay, you can write in copy or you can write in laptop or mobile, whatever is feasible for you. You write and prepare your customer journey mapping in those particular way. Okay, now let me take your attendance. Yeah, you can make document based, no worry, but you need to explain in the class, like on Monday you need to explain that. Okay, so today is 14. 14, who is that? Ajay. Then Arpita. Arpita, you have not done your assessment yet?
Yes, ma'am.
When you will do? Today is last, no?
I will. Today's last.
Yeah, I tried to call you, but your number was not available at that time. You did not pick up my phone.
Oh, ma'am.
Please complete it today. At least submitive 1 and submitive 2. Other things you complete or not complete is another case. But summative assessment needs to be completed today because the marks will automatically grow in the system for that.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay.
You check out today and complete
Hmm.
it by tonight. Okay. Because
Okay, ma'am.
the today's class will not be too long. So you can, after the class has been done, you can start your from your LMS, start your assessment and complete it. Okay.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay, who else is there? Ajay, Arpita, Bongshi, Durna, then Markeleshwar is there, Nilakshi is there, Noor Nabi is there, Shankar is there, Ishani. Okay, who else is there? Sushmita. Saidur was there, where he went? Okay, those who came late, for them I am repeating again. So this is what we call a customer journey mapping. Okay, customer journey mapping means where you need to make step by step how a customer gets to purchase a product and what is his experience after purchasing their product. Okay, so this is what is a customer journey mapping about. Okay, so these are the stages. First is awareness, where a customer realize what is the problem and what solution he requires. Then consideration, options, the different options you find out from different sources. purchase decision, like from which source of information you take into consideration and select a decision or consider of purchasing an item. Then during the purchase of that item, what was the experience you as a customer? Okay. Then stage 5 is your post purchase experience feedback. That means after the purchase has been done, what is your feedback from the about the product? Okay, I'll just give you an example. Let's say you have brought a AC. Okay, uh, you are in your town, in your home. You find that now the climate of Assam has changed. It's too hot in the month of June, July, August. Okay, so you thought that at least I need an AC for my room. So that is when you realize this is the first stage, awareness, where you're aware that due to the increasing heat in Assam, I need a AC. Okay, that is realizing a problem or a desire for a product. Second stage is consideration, where you consider, you search in Amazon, you search in Flipkart, you look for reviews of different brands like LG and Samsung, all these different brands you go for and you look for different options. So that is stage 2, consideration. Then you got to know from your two of your friends that they have bought, let's say Samsung, AC, and they give the feedback that the AC is not working properly and all. Then you ask some other friends, and they give you information that LG has a better customer service, and if something is wrong, the engineers comes and repair without costing anything. So you, on the basis of those feedback, you take up the purchase decision that I'll go for LG. Now, how will you buy? Stage 4, purchase experience. Like you, if you go offline, let's say you went to a store and from there you bought the AC, LG AC. So, how was your experience? Did the sales associate in the store greeted you properly, make you aware, give you the information about the different ACs available of LG product, how many tons will be good for your room, whether your room feet and height also determines the ton of AC you require for a room to have an AC. So, how was the experience? That is your stage 4. Stage 5 is that where, in case you were not able to install with your own, majority of the time, your installation is done by the company itself. So installation will be done. How was the experience of your installation? And let's say you were not able to change some items in your settings in your AC. So you have called up the customer care number of LG, and whether you had a good feedback from those people from the customer service. That's what is your stage 5. Okay, let's say your AC has been dirty, it's not giving the cool air. So, and let's say the pump of that filter gas has been gone down, you need to refill the gas of the AC. Okay, so that's when you call up the customer service, how quickly they have responded to those kind of queries or problems or complaints. So that is your stage 5. Okay, so accordingly, on the basis of that, you need to take any of this sector. Okay, any of this particular sector: retail, IT, education, automotive, tourism, hospitality, healthcare. Any of the item you take and you make your own customer journey. Okay. Why we are doing all this customer journey mapping? Because customer journey mapping will help you to understand how a customer reacts or how a customer thinks about, because you yourself on this point of time, you are a customer for any different kinds of product in the market, right? So you will be able to make up your journey as a customer because you will be on their shoes. That will help you to understand when you will be the on the opposite side, like if you are uh, providing the product or selling the product to someone else. Okay, so the main purpose of this customer journey mapping is to understand the customer experience, identify the pain points in the sense where the customer is facing problem, whether he is facing problem in understanding the features of the product, whether he is having problem in purchase, whether he has problem in customer service, where are the pain points. So this customer journey mapping helps that. Enhance engagement. As much you have engagement with the customers, the more you will understand what their points for the smooth, selling of your product will be beneficial. Then improve product and services, foster customer loyalty, align teams. Okay, then drive strategic decision, measure success, anticipate future needs. So these are the purpose of creating this customer journey mapping. Okay, how to create a customer journey map. Here are the points which you need to take into consideration when you make it. Yes, you can give PPT presentation, no problem. Okay, so everything is there in the slide, you just need to go through. And this is a template for given for how to make a customer journey map. You can go through this. Okay, now how to, yeah, even how to use this template is given here. It is given in details, everything is given in details. So you need to make sure that you make your customer journey map, and you can present it on, or you can discuss in on Monday. You might also look into the challenges in creating customer journey mapping: data collection, inconsistent data resources, resource intensive, then complexity of customer behavior, stakeholder alignment, maintaining updates. All these needs to be taken into consideration. Okay, am I clear
Ma'am,
on the topic? Yes.
ma'am, make a presentation on it. Do I have it? Do I have to give it on Monday?
Yes, Monday you are supposed to present it. Present in the sense, if you
Oh,
want to give it as a slide, you can give a slide.
mm,
If you want to just talk about it, how you have done stage by stage your customer journey mapping, you can do whichever is easier for you. Okay,
okay.
it is in your LMS. Open your LMS, Ajay. Your ID is GEE10743. I think you know your password, right? So accordingly, you open that, you go to customer journey mapping in customer engagement tab. Okay, you'll find there this customer journey mapping. Okay, any questions, anyone? No questions? Okay, then that's it for today. We'll meet on Monday.